Yeah, good day, my viewers. My name is Oginni Ayoola. I'm in one of our transmission substations today, where we want to evacuate a supply from their new energized 100 kV transformer. You can see behind me here is small equipment that work as a slave to that bigger transformer. In our classroom, I will tell us what does it stand for and what we use. So let's go to the classroom. See you there. Welcome back from the field to the classroom. The transformer you just saw there is what we call a grounding transformer, or some people call it earthing transformer. It is basically used in the transmission substations where we have a rating of transformer ranging from 30 MVA, 60 MVA, 100 and above. And you know, all these are transformers. Their winding is delta to delta winding. So what is a grounding transformer? It's a specialized auxiliary transformer that is used in our electric power system for what to create an auxiliary part for our neutral in an ungrounded transformer. You know, all those transformers need to be grounded for a purpose of about 3 or 4 things that I will be explaining to us here. So now what I mean is, what do we use grounding transformer for in our transmission station? Number one, it provides a grounding part for our transformer. You know, our neutral part is always connected to this grounding transformer to give us a neutral part into the ground. So why? One, to limit the transient over voltage in the network in case there's an over voltage that creeps in onto a transformer, or maybe a voltage from outside that increase the voltage beyond the level where transformer can take. This grounding transformer will be the one that will leak it to the ground to protect the 30, 50 or 60 or 100k, as the case may be, to protect them. So this kind of transformer act as a protecting device for this our bigger transformer. So number two, it provide what? A source of ground fault current for our system. That one means that once it is connected to our relays, to power our relays, to power what they call it, circuit breakers. So in case of any fault current, once the conductor touch the ground, what this one will do, will send a signal to, what do they call it, through it was the one that power the relays and the breakers. So the trip, they send the signal for them to trip the transformer to avoid what we call fault on our transformer. While lastly, in most of our transmission substations, there are this grounding transformer. You know, none of them have what we call maybe what we call auxiliary windings. The form of auxiliary winding is what is used as a station supply to power our lights, to do some or other domestic use things in our power station. So you've been able to learn something today. For some of my guys in transmission stations, I want to appreciate Engineer Fatile, and Engineer Kola, Madam Mr. Agbola, Mrs. Modupo of Prenedos. Thank you so much, because in doing this chat, we actually had some talk. They actually, so many things I asked from them for me to achieve this today. So if you have what you want to add to it, go to my comment section and let us just discuss. I used to tell us, learning is sweet, learning is continuous. We'll see you in another class. Bye for now.